Wow, the people, the black and brown people, number one. The food is good. I love the food. There's some fashion here that I really like. The South African fashion, I'm a big fan of that. Um, the history of South Africa, Nelson Mandela, and what else? The love, all the love I get. Yeah. Don't take anything for granted. Get out and work. Get out and hustle. I see people here working and hustling and making do with not much. And people should take that whole that wherever you go, wherever you're from, and be diligent in putting forth effort each day in your life to make something happen. Top three things that I have to take with me wherever I go. Shea butter. I like my shea butter. My trimmers, my clippers. Even though it don't look like I shave, certain spots I'll have to clean up. And comfortable underwear. Wow, songs that I'm currently listening to right now. Wow, I've been listening to her and Daniel Caesar. I like them. I like them a lot. The song, one of her songs is "Focus." That's a song called "Summertime" by Childish Gambino that I like a lot. It makes me feel amazing. What's another song that I'm listening to? Wow. Currently now I'm searching for new music. So I'm in that place now. Something to inspire me before I go into the studio. So I'm kind of searching for something to bless my spirit. Well, the Mafia King, that one, it's very dear to me because it gives people an opportunity to be seen. Some of the local artists give me a chance to learn some of the artists that are here that are more mainstream, and just to get back to the province and to get back to those people that are from there and to shine light on them. Yeah, and the second one, it's part of the wedding reception for Sammy. And that festival is that show is just to have a great time and to love on the people and to celebrate his wedding and his marriage. Her heart won't let me lose her. No matter how I try, I just can't say goodbye and lose her.